Let's look at a couple of questions that ask us to work with odd and even numbers. The first one says, which of these numbers is not even? And then it gives us a set of numbers, 22, 34, 65, 72, and 100, and we need to determine which of these is not even. So remember, with even numbers, our last digit of the number is going to end in either a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. So let's look at the last digit of each of our numbers. I'll underline them so that we know exactly which digit we're looking at. And if it's a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, it's even. So yes, yes, no. This 5 here is not a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. So the 65 is our odd number. Let's just check and make sure our last two are indeed evens. 2, 72, yes. And then 100, our last digit is a 0. And so that fits with our evens of 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. So the only one here is 65 is not even. So that's the solution to our first problem or our first question. And let's look at the second one, which asks us about which one is not odd. Which of these numbers is not odd? And then we have a set of numbers, 11, 23, 30, 45, and 77. And so again, we are going to look at the last digit in our numbers, and I'll underline them here so that we're sure we're looking at the right digit. And we ask ourselves, because of odd numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, we need to ask ourselves if these digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. So 11, yes. 23, yes. 30, no, it's not ending in a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. 45, yes. And 77, yes, those end in odd numbers, but this 30 here is our one number that is not odd. So my answer would be 30 is not odd. So we'll take the 30 out of this set, and we'll take the 65 out of this set. And now we have a set of even numbers and a set of odd numbers. Let's take a look at one more question. The product, so multiplication, the product of 23 times a number is odd. So some number times 23 equals an odd number. Is this number even or odd? Well, since any number multiplied by an even number is even, we know that this number must be an odd number.